Get up my rain, you turn out. If it's Ape, I hard switch. It's Fortress. Do I think he speed invested Fortress? Oh, right, I didn't bring that this week, did I? Pelipper's my defogger. I don't think it's worth going for that soon. I should have led Torn and taunted. I think I'm gonna go Kingdra. He doesn't have an answer to me. He gives up his rocks, that's fine. I'm gonna lock myself in Hydro. Wait, cancel. Oh no. Should have gone D-Pulse there. Yeah, Gastro is a problem. Alright, what would Gastro want to do to me? It wouldn't want to use water moves, so probably want to Earth Power. I think I go Torn. I don't think there's any chance he doesn't go for a ground move here because he has to take care of this Kingdra. Because he does not know I'm Specs yet. Yep. I'm just going to fire off a Hurricane here. See what he wants to switch into be. Okay, so Gastro can kind of tank. I'm going to fire off one more here, then you turn out. Against a Gastrodon with 252. I think that's max invest. Ooh. So why did he bring a Fortress? I think I Hurricane and take this thing out, then I hard switch next turn. 32 looks like a low to mid roll for a Spadef Gastro. What if he was max HP? Yeah, that's definitely Spadef Gastro. And then, okay, he brings in Metagross, I U-turn out. Let's see if he's Scarfed here. Okay, he is not Choice Scarf. Gonna guess Roserade's not a great switch in. I don't want to bring Pelipper yet. I think Escavalier is honestly my best option here. Good news is Rock Sitter's gone, so as soon as I get in Pelipper, I can defog. Yeah, I'm definitely Escavalier, because Metagross can't touch it. So, anyways. So he goes for Ice Punch. That's a huge resisted hit. Okay, wait, hold on a minute. Escavalier, which is max HP against a Metagross with Punch. His Punch does 14.3. He did not reveal... I don't believe he revealed a Life Orb to me, did he? No, he didn't. So, let's see here. So, Choice Band. It's not Choice Banded. Or, wait, why is that the... Hold on a second. Why is that the default spread? That's weird. So, he is Adamant Max Attack on this Gross. Nice knowledge to have. Drillrun chunks him. There's no way he's switching into Hydreigon here. And nothing else really wants to switch in on this. Earthquake, he does a decent chunk. Drillrun. Whew, that's some good damage right there. Gotta switch out. I don't think he risks it. I'm going Pelipper here. I don't think he risks the Thunder Punch. And I can get rid of these rocks. Yep. So, let's see here. So, he definitely outspeeds me. If he has any investment at all, he outspeeds me. Well, hold on. What does he have to carry against my team? He definitely has to carry Ice Stab. He's carrying... he has to carry a Steel Stab. T-Punch. Okay. I'm going to defog. If he takes me... No, it's not worth it. He doesn't have a move to hit me unless he has T-Punch. In which case he's going to go for it right here. Swampert. Thunder Punch. Okay, so he can't hit Kingdra. Because he has to have Steel. Well, no, Earthquake hits that, so I guess he doesn't have to have Steel Stab. So, I guess he... what's his last move? Well, I suppose it doesn't matter. Gonna Mega Up and click E. Do I click EQ or Waterfall? What do I think is coming in? If Gastro comes in, I need to click EQ. Gastro's the bigger threat. He brings in Hydreigon. Ah, nice play, man. Nice play. I almost clicked Waterfall, too. How much does Hydreigon Choice Scarf, Hidden Power, Grass? Because I don't think it gets Grass Knot. Play dot Pokemon Showdown. Here we go. I think the easy switch is... So, Hydreigon, do you get Grass Knot? You don't. So how much does Hidden Power Grass do? 2 Mega 2 Swampert dash Mega. It doesn't OHKO. I'm in the rain. Yeah, I definitely should have gone for Waterfall there. Ice Punch would have been KO. Do I scout him? I think he's bluffing. I don't think he has HP Grass. He's bluffing. Let's go. Here I click Waterfall because even if Gastro does come in, he doesn't have a play. He's trying to stall out my rain, I think. Okay, so I've still got 3 more turns of rain. How much do I do to Lax? Standard Curse Lax. Adamant Waterfall in the rain. I chunk it, and it can't really hit me back. Figgies. Return. Yeah. Yeah, no, you can't beat me. Waterfall. Ooh, sorry about that crit. Oh, he would have got another hit on Swampert. All right. So I get 1 more turn of rain. How much health is Tornax? I might be able to pivot. I may be able to Torn pivot out. Let's see here. Nothing he has outspeeds without a Scarf. I need any hit off on the Hydreigon. Let's see here. Gastrodon. How much does Ice Punch do? What is he at? I can't see on mobile. You know, guys, sometimes having a mobile setup really does suck. But, alright, here comes the Hydreigon. How much does Hydreigon's HP Grass do? Choice Scarf HP. Hidden Power Grass. Kills from this range, it's not worth it. I'm going Torn and Scouting. There's no reason not to. I don't think he clicks. There's no reason he risks not killing me. U-turns. Excellent play. I gotta hand that to you. Great play, man. So he goes ape as the rain goes out. I can live it. Right? Infernape, choice scarf. You're definitely carrying Thunder Punch if you're carrying anything. With Iron Fist against Tornadus dash Therian Life Orb attacker, but instead of Life Orb you have a Lacan. Thunder Punch does not KO from this range if he's unless he's adamant. I'm assuming he's scarfed. Close combat. How did that kill? Huh. Got a max roll. Dang. I was looking at mid rolls, not max rolls. Why did I do that? Alright, but I know he's scarfed. Pelipper comes in. Is there any reason he stays in? Also, can Roserade clean? Sludge Bomb, Sludge Bomb, Sludge Bomb. Like, I Giga Drain that. And I Sludge Bomb the last two. Roserade can clean. Yeah, Roserade's on play because this Infernape's definitely scarfed. I'm Expert Belt, so there's no reason not to just Sludge Bomb here. His Hydreigon comes in. Get that poison. Dang. I Sludge Bomb again. Flamethrower does Roserade eat. Lives on one. Dang, okay. So, let me calculate that damage real quick. Against Roserade. Are you offensive? Flamethrower. Yeah, that's right in the ballpark. Actually, a high roll for Timid Scarf. So,
you have to be done.
He's got...
Right?
I'm going Pelipper. No reason not to go Pelipper. So he's not scarfed. Alright, but... Kingdra comes in with Specs, D-Pulse, and cleans. Whew, damage. Dragon Pulse again. I'm sorry, my friend, but you cannot stall this out. Whoo! CC doesn't kill. He drops his defenses. And that will be GG to Ashy. Excellent game. Throw him a quick... I can't type with this thing. Oh, he lives. And that kind of sucks. But, let's see here. Swampert dash Mega OU Showdown against... What's this thing called? Gastrodon. Yeah. I'll take my last two turns of rain just to... Yep. So that's going to be a 3-0. Good game, Ashy. And EQ.